Hey guys, we are back today with another episode, and today I'm going to tell you about the last product that we have for open joint cladding systems here in North America. As you recall, I introduced to you already the mechanically attached versions of the product, which is Delta Facade S and Facade S Plus. And today I will show you Delta Facade SA. Fully adhered air and water resistive barrier, vapor permeable, black, to give you the look that you're looking for, specifically designed for open joint cladding systems, so you can create gaps up to 2 inches in your cladding or 40% of the entire surface of your building. At overlaps, essentially all you have to do is overlap the product. There is no tape necessary. If you're looking for belt and suspenders type of approach, you can obviously tape. We use the same components that we would use with our mechanically attached product, which is a Delta Facade tape. Again, black, UV stables, designed for the same application, open joint cladding system. We also have the flashing available in 2 different roll sizes, which is 4 and 9 inch. Obviously, this is for your detailing, taping around windows and stuff like that, pipe penetrations. The product is available in 3 different roll sizes, which is a standard 4 feet 11, which is 1.5 meters. You have the 9 and 3/4 inch roll, which is 25 centimeters, so you can pre-detail your corners, inside outside corners, before somebody comes in with the field membrane. And we also have the 19.5 roll, which is 50 centimeters, so if somebody wants to go detail all your windows, pre-treat everything, so then somebody can just come in with the field membranes tying into it, that would be an approach that you can take. And again guys, if you have any questions or you're looking for some information regarding the product, give us a call, email, talk to your local rep. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you very much and take care.